historically. So women left the table. Let's speak facts now, right? I don't deal with foolishness anymore. I'm almost 40. I'm 40 years old. I don't have time for foolishness, people. History speaks facts. The women left the table because they wanted to go for the bag themselves. And you see it today. Women are ahead in society. Women are, the whole benefit system was created for them. So while it was created for them, they had a fallback plan. If they messed up their life, they had a fallback plan with the benefit system. They could always rely on a man if they wanted to cheat a man or do whatever the case may be. They sold women a bunch of lies and a delusional mindset to make them think that was better than having a family structure. The problem with what they sold women is that it breeds single mother households, which breed delinquent and dysfunctional children, which breed delinquency and dysfunction in society. We have the highest single mother rate amongst our community, the highest single rate and children born outside of wedlock and marriage. It's disgraceful. And when you look at the children that they've produced, the children have no moral standards, principles, or discipline. So in essence, we've had a matriarchy and a gynocentric system for the last 70 years. I'm talking about 1950.
Yeah, but
we're in 2020.
Yeah, but when I think about the other side, when it comes to other people, like, you know, like non-black people, like white people, I think the structure of the marriage that they actually implement, it actually kind of work for them. Because when you see even the way they raise the family, whatever, you actually work with the way they are, with the society. Because most of them, they're not going to have a problem like us, like, you know, you have like kids. I know, like, even when we say the kids are not always the same as whatever, but like, is the society, the way they raise the kids is different. And also the number, when it comes to the level of divorce as well. If you see in the black community, the father not around, in like in the white community, you're going to see like it's not as much. We live in the same society, but it's not as much. You have more impact in us. It's because we're actually trying to adapt in a system that actually is not built to help us, you know, to pull us together. That's the problem. And the thing is,